You're here today to represent the opening of our brand new football stadium. We are really excited about this moment. We have waited a while for this to happen, and we're just excited and exuberated about this particular time. I think our kids are just overwhelmed by all of these things and been looking forward to getting on our field and playing our first game, our homecoming game on our field.
I really think it shows, like, an experience shows a lot of school spirit with our school, and it also brings a lot of uniqueness to it because a lot of people don't have a red field. I think it's a cool addition to our campus because it really expresses our school spirit that we have here at Valley View, and I think it's just a unique addition.